Hello guys, and welcome back. Here I have Alcatel V3 that my friend just brought me to reset. There's two ways to do it. You can reset it through the phone, and the fastest way for me would be using the power button and the up button to reset it. So the phone is off at the moment, so all you need to do is just hold down the power button and up volume button at the same time. I'll do that right now. The options, there we go. Okay, as you see here, we got Android recovery, and you have the options. So what you want to choose is wipe data factory. So in order to go down, just use the up and down keys, volume keys. Just press it, hit yes, and it will do its thing. Okay, it says data wipe complete. As you see, all right, just go and reboot system now, and there we go. It's rebooting. I'll just wait until it reboots. All right, the phone has rebooted, and here's the prompt that you have to follow in order to set it up. You can just click start, but there you go. That's a way to reset this Alcatel V3 phone.